Hello guys, it's Cakes and Dessert here. Welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are making sweet potato balls. Before we dive into the video, I would like to encourage you, if you are stopping by for the first time, to please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. So in here I've got my sweet potato. I'll go ahead and cook them and get back to you. As you can see, it's done, so I'll strain it and let it sit for like 5 minutes before I mash it. At this point I'll be adding my blended scotch bonnet and bell pepper with onions, and I'll go ahead and season and spice the sweet potato. Go ahead and mix everything very well. At this point, go ahead and mold them. You can make them bigger or smaller depending on your preference. Now go ahead and season your egg and put in your sweet potato balls in the egg before frying them. After adding them into your eggs, if you have breadcrumbs, you can coat them in your breadcrumbs before frying them. I've already heated my oil, so I'll start frying my sweet potato balls. Please, when you are making your own, don't put too much in the frying pan. The first batch was a disaster. I had to reduce the quantity of sweet potato balls in the pan, and I also had to switch to spoon. I used spoon to turn it because the first batch was a disaster. So don't make this mistake, okay? So this is the second batch. As you can see, I'm turning it with a spoon to avoid disorganizing everything, and I also didn't put too much into the frying pan. So there you have it, sweet potato balls. I hope you are going to give this a try. If you do, please let me know what you think about it. And if there's anything you'd like to see on my channel, please leave a comment below, and inshallah I will make the video for you. Thank you for watching, and bye.